Alright, what's up, Charlie Company? In this video, we are going to be covering operational terms and graphics. Operational terms and graphics serve the Marine Corps planning process by providing a body of uniformly understood graphical depictions used alongside common terms in order to provide a Marine a visual representation of various weapons, units, and activities. The intent of this period of instruction is to provide you, the infantry Marine, with the ability to recognize and interpret common operational symbols used on map overlays and terrain models. Operational symbols are composed of multiple letters, numbers, and shapes used to define key information about the unit being depicted. The following video will cover unit and installation symbols, unit size indicators, unit symbol modifiers, role indicators, reinforcements and detachments, the process for drawing symbols, enemy units, and lastly, basic weapon symbols. Certain geometric figures are used as foundations for the construction of military symbols. A rectangle is used to depict both units and command posts. When depicting a command post, a staff is extended from the base of the left-hand corner. Additionally, LPOPs, or listening posts and observation posts, are designated with a triangle. In the event that a unit or command post is projected to be in a certain location but is not yet there, the box will have dashed lines to the left and right. Unit size indicators include elements at the top of the symbol to represent the relative size of the unit. These symbols include squad, section, platoon or detachment, company or battery, battalion or aviation squadron, regiment or aviation group, brigade, and division or wing. Additionally, the symbol for fire team, while not used in constructing unit symbols, will be incorporated at the small unit level in fire plan sketches. Unit symbol modifiers are combined with role indicators, which will be discussed next, in order to create composite symbols that represent a specific type of unit. Common examples are mechanized tracked vehicles, mechanized wheeled vehicles, amphibious vehicles, missile, air assault, gun systems with 30mm Bushmasters, Vulcan cannons, or ZSUs, motorized vehicles including trucks and Humvees, ski mobile units, riverine units, and aviation attack units. Next, we can look at role indicators. Role indicators are used to convey the mission of the unit. Common examples include infantry, artillery, tanks, reconnaissance, engineering, supply, air defense, comms, maintenance, motor T, medical, anti-armor, rotary wing, fixed wing, mechanized infantry, AAVs, LAR, CAT, and riverine assault crafts. The next consideration includes reinforcements and detachments. Units can be reinforced, reduced, or both. Reinforced units use a plus symbol to denote additional forces attached, while a minus symbol is used to denote the unit has elements detached to an adjacent unit. In the event the unit has both attached and detached elements, a plus and minus symbol are used. This will be located in the top right corner of the symbol. Additionally, a hood may be used to signify attachments. Examples would be company teams or battalion task forces. In the event a hood is used, a plus or minus symbol is not. Now that we know how to construct the geometric form and indicate the size and type of unit, we must learn how to identify the specific unit by number and letter designators. This can be accomplished in a step-by-step procedure using all the information presented to this point, including our knowledge of the organization of the Marine Corps. So let's draw the symbol for 3rd Squad, 2nd Platoon, Charlie Company, 1st Battalion, 24th Marines, 4th Marine Division. Step 1. Begin with the basic symbol for unit. Step 2. Since it is an infantry unit, add the cross rifles to identify the unit's roll indicator. Step 3. Include the size indicator for squad. Step 4. The squad in question is 3rd Squad, so include a 3 to the left of the graphic. Step 5. The next higher designation of platoon is placed to the immediate right. In this case, it is a 2 for 2nd Platoon. Step 6. A slash follows the platoon designation, which is then followed by the company letter, in this instance a C for Charlie Company. Lastly, Step 7. Another slash follows the C and is then followed by the number 24 to indicate the regiment. It should be noted, we do not put the battalion or division because this information is implied. Because the company designation is C or Charlie, we know that it is in 1st Battalion. Additionally, we know that 24th Marines is a reserve regiment and therefore falls under the organization of 4th Division. Now we can turn our attention towards enemy unit designators. Enemy units follow the same design scheme as friendly units, except that they will be in a diamond as opposed to a rectangle. For example, an enemy infantry platoon would be denoted like this, and an enemy artillery battery would look like this. Lastly, we can look at basic weapon symbols. The common symbols that are not necessarily organic to a rifle company, but you may come in contact with, include the SAW, 240, M250 cal, Mark 19, 203, 60, 80, and 120 mm mortar systems, the AT-4, the SMA, Javelin, TOW, M40A1 sniper rifle, the Sasser, and lastly, the 105 and 155 mm howitzers. It should be noted that this video does not encompass all information for operational terms and graphics. There are a wide variety of others that can be used in the planning process, but you have been given a general familiarization with some of the more common symbols that we as infantry personnel should be able to recognize. For a complete understanding of operational terms and graphics, review the Operational Terms and Graphics student handout for the Warrant Officer Basic course.